Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to manage resources, like tools and files, in sessions and how to use them to supercharge your online meetings. Let's start with tools. From home, simply click on the Tools button in the left sidebar. Here, you can find and manage all your resources from third-party apps like YouTube, Google Documents, Pitch, Vimeo, and more. And also Sessions native tools like Whiteboard and Forms. Adding a new resource is just as simple. Let's look at an example. Say you want to add a new YouTube video, just click on New YouTube Video and paste the link to the video you want. Or, if you want to add a new whiteboard, click on New Whiteboard. You'll see that the new resource is now added to the list dedicated to that tool. You'll also notice a More Actions button. From here you can rename the tool, make a copy of it, view its usage history, or delete it. I'm going to name my whiteboard Luna's Whiteboard. Something interesting to note is permissions. If you make a file public, everyone in your workspace can use it. If you make it private, only you can view and use it. To narrow down your search, simply click on the tool category it belongs to, such as Google Docs or YouTube. Then, type the resource's name into the dedicated search bar. And Sessions will display relevant results in no time. Now, let's talk about files. Click on the Files button in the left sidebar. Here, you can store and manage all your uploaded files, whether they are images, presentations, documents, spreadsheets, or videos. Adding a new file is a breeze. Choose the category, click on the Upload button, select your file, and voila! It's added to your list of resources. Just like with tools, you can decide if a file is public or private, and you'll also notice that it has the same More Options menu. So, what is the purpose of adding your files and tools to Sessions? Well, it makes it easy to share resources with other team members. For example, if a team of people hosts demos, you can easily access the same presentations and videos. But, the real magic happens when you use the Share palette. Instead of sharing your screen in the conventional way, you can embed your resources directly into your sessions, whether it's presentations, links, documents, third-party integrations, or native tools. During your meeting, simply click on the Share button and you'll have access to a variety of options, including searching resources, sharing files, opening links, embedding tools and adding an agenda. Let's look for the whiteboard I created earlier. Click on it. Confirm. And just like that, it's embedded in your session. The nice thing about doing it this way rather than sharing your screen, is that everyone in the session can now interact with this whiteboard and work together live. When you are done, click here to remove the tool. Or hover on the Share Screen button and remove it from there. And finally, let's talk about agendas. Just like you can add your files and tools to your live sessions, you can also add them to your agendas. When building your agenda, simply click on the Add Resources button and the Share palette will appear, allowing you to add links, tools, or files seamlessly. You can do the same thing in a live session too, when you edit the agenda. Awesome! And there you have it. With Sessions, managing resources has never been easier. So why wait? Try Sessions today and revolutionize the way you collaborate. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Sessions tips. Until next time, happy hosting!